AstraZeneca joined Pfizer and Moderna today as the third pharmaceutical company with a promising COVID-19 vaccine. And while those clinical trials get even closer to producing a successful vaccine, the Mayo Clinic in Rochester has announced their own upcoming trial. News 19's Marcus Arsvold spoke with doctors during a virtual press conference this afternoon. And Marcus, is Mayo's new trial related at all to this big three of potential vaccines?
No, Justin, because those three clinical trials, when those drugs roll out, they would go for emergency use only and for a limited number of people. So Mayo is launching their vaccine registry in the hopes that they could find other vaccines that could potentially be available for more people.
Mayo Clinic's COVID-19 Research Task Force Director Dr. Andrew Badley says the first wave of vaccines that could be available from AstraZeneca, Pfizer, or Moderna won't be enough, even when approved.
Assuming those successful outcomes hold up, the challenge is going to be to distribute those vaccines to the majority of the world's population. And that is going to be a logistic challenge, and it's going to be a supply chain challenge. So even though these three vaccines are showing efficacy, there will be a need for more vaccines.
While we wait on emergency vaccines, Mayo Clinic wants people to register for vaccine trials no matter where you live.
The registry is not just for Minnesota residents, although Mayo Clinic Rochester is the only site right now that we are aware of for vaccine trials.
Dr. Phelan says their study includes a number of approved hospitals nationwide and globally because they'll need at least 30,000 participants.
It's also important to have the spectrum of ages as well. And so the registry is going to really help us screen those people.
Only the health officials can access applicants' information, and applicants can back out at any time.
The treating teams will have in-depth conversations with potential participants and explain everything that is known about the safety of the vaccine and all the potential complications of the vaccine, which so far, based upon our existing studies, suggests the risks are very, very low.
One step towards doctors and scientists finding a COVID-19 vaccine.
To register, you can call 507-293-3383 or find the registration portal at wxow.com. Now, Dustin, it's important to note that just because you sign up online or by phone, that doesn't mean you'll necessarily qualify for the trial.
Okay, and Marcus, by when should people call or register online?
There actually is no deadline listed right now, and the doctors say that even during the trial, when it starts, you can still sign up.
Okay, thank you, Marcus. And at that press conference, you heard they mention all ages. They're also stressing that they're looking for a diverse pool of people, since varying genetic backgrounds can be impacted differently by these vaccines.